Hi, I'm Matt Oxley, and I'm proud to be celebrating 35 years of affluent sales coaching and independent research here at the Oxley Institute. Your fast track to affluence, the fast track to affluence for any sales professional, is mastery of affluent sales. And all of our coaching is geared to this mastery. It's really geared to your affluence. When you hire one of our coaches, it's as though you're hiring a member of your sales team. Somebody to teach you the do's and don'ts of today's affluent, to hold you accountable, to make certain you're doing the right activities, and make certain that you have the right skill set within those activities. Every one of our coaches has gone through and completed a 22-part training program. They've been tested, they've been observed, they've been rated. They're masters at affluent sales. All of our coaching is evidence-based. We monitor you from day one. We have a 6-month review and an annual assessment. Fortune 100 companies have embraced our coaching. Their top reps use our coaching program. Why don't you find out for yourself? Call us today.